This class is a great opportunity to understand and be exposed to field research, but be able to put together a project that is meaningful in a collaboration with communities.
Students who come to the field school are going to experience the genuine effects of engagement.
You learn to learn, and you learn to change, and you learn to grow, and it forces you to take your theoretical approach and make it a real world approach.
What the SHRI Field School does is bring an unprecedented communal experience to the students in the form of a university class, which to me is education.
The interactions that we had were very natural. Like, the people saw what we were doing, they'd come up and ask questions. We'd ask them questions in return. From the children to the senior citizens, from the president of the land grant to the newest member, I learned that everyone has potential to have a great idea.
We're actually creating community partnerships between the University of New Mexico and local communities about community empowerment.
So oftentimes, you do a project, you work hard on it, you propose something for a hypothetical community, and only your instructor sees it. You get the opinion of one person in a vacuum of college. Whereas if you go out and you expose your ideas to other people, and you expose your ideas to people that have to live with them every day, you're a little bit more vulnerable, you know? But through that vulnerability, I think you have potential to learn a lot about yourself, about your work, about your profession, and how it applies in the real world.
Students will actually understand what is the process in which community change is made.
In this time of the digital age, it's really, really important that we have like human connectedness, human experience, and this particular class lends itself to that.
Communities are an organic university.
We're all learning from each other the entire time.
That's what this research is about, is keeping the integrity of these historic communities by working in partnership with them. And research can help to protect and give communities the tools to protect their land.
People are unaware of the connection that people used to have to the land. And so they're more easily ripped away from it. Whereas if we educate them and let them know what they could have, I think that would make a huge impact.
What are these communities about? What is the heart of these communities, and what is the passion? Sometimes it's things that you can't even write down, but that you have to experience to understand.
I could tell that the community at first was apprehensive, as they usually are. You know, we're just a bunch of college students. You know, we look young, we look inexperienced compared to everybody. But by the end of it, and after they saw the whole finished product, they were amazed. They were like, we had no idea you guys were capable of this. So they loved our work. They appreciate it, and you know, hopefully they'll use it for generations to come.
You're going to learn different levels of communication. You're going to learn what it is to listen, and I mean really listen, to communities when they're speaking to you. All of those will make the students better researchers and evolve our profession.